Essay on Republic Day. India celebrates Republic Day on January 26 annually with a lot of pride and forever. It is a day that is important to every Indian citizen. It marks the day when India became truly independent and embigrated democracy. In other words, it celebrates the day on which our constitution came into effect on 26 January 1950. Almost 3 years post independence, we became a sovereign, secular, socialist, democratic republic. History of Republic Day. While we got independence from British rule on August 15, 1947, our country was still lacking a concrete constitution. Moreover, India also did not have any experts and political powers which would help in the functions of state affairs smoothly up until then. The 1935 Government of India Act was basically modified in order to the governor. However, the act was more bent towards the colonial rule. Therefore, there was a dire need to form an exclusive constitution that would reflect all that India stands for. Thus, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar led a constitutional drafting committee on August 28, 1947. After drafting, it was presented to the Constituent Assembly by the same committee on November 4, 1947. This whole produced was very elaborate and took up to 166 days to complete. Moreover, the committee organized sessions were kept open to the public. Moreover, the first session of the India Parliament was also conducted on this day. In addition to that, 26 January also witnessed the swearing in of India's first president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Thus, this day is very important. It marks the end and the British rule and birth of India is a republic state. Constitution of India. The Constitution of India came into force from 26 January. A special committee is gathered to draw and outline the Constitution. It gives all the details related to what is illegal in the country. In addition, with the enforcement of the Constitution, the India subcontinent became the Republic of India. Besides, the drafting committee consists of 7 members that were surprised by Bhimrao Ambedkar. Moreover, the constitution helps in maintaining prosperity and peace in the country. Salient features of the constitution. The list of salient features of the India Constitution is very long, and there are many uniqueness about it that you won't find in any other country's constitution. Fundamental policies. The constitution of the country states every fundamental duty of its citizen under it. These duties have to be followed by all the citizens of the country equally, whether it's a rich person or a poor one. Besides, these duties include the respect of national flag and national anthem, integrity and unity of the country, the safeguard of public property and various others. Republic Day celebrations. Indians celebrate January 26 each year with lots of enthusiasm. The capital city of India, New Delhi, celebrates it with a Republic Day parade that shows elitely the might of the Indian military and the cultural diversity of our country. These parades take place in other cities as well, where a lot of schools participate in. It is a delight to watch the children and professions put in so much effort. The way the grace the parade makes one proud of their country. We also do national flag hosting on this day in New Delhi after the President of India hosting our national flag. 21 guns salute follow it with the national anthem played by the military band. Further, in schools, march fasting march past takes place and it is mandatory for every student to attend the celebrations. In many schools, they distribute sweets on this day as well. While it is a very joyous day, we must not forget the struggle of freedom that our forefathers took part in. Moreover, it is a day to celebrate the spirit of freedom and make sure to help India reach greater heights in the future. Guys, if you like my video, so please subscribe my channel Topper Boy Ravi. Happy Republic Day, friends.